My name is Omkar Ashok Pawar, proud student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, presenting EVS assignment on country Argentina. Argentina is the country in the southern half of South America. It shares the bulk of the southern cone with Chile to the west. Also, it is the largest Spanish-speaking nation in the world. Argentina, second largest country in the South America, fourth largest country in the Americas, and the eighth largest country in the world. Buenos Aires is the capital and most populous city of Argentina. Also, it has 19th century buildings, presidential palace, a grand 1908 opera house with nearly 2,500 seats, and modern Malva Museum displaying Latin American art. Flag of Argentina: a horizontal triband of light blue top and bottom and white with the sun of May centered on the white band. The flag symbolizes blue and white color of the flag were selected by Manuel Belgrano, who led the revolution against Spain, and the sun represents the process of independence that started on 25th May 1810. Geography of Argentina. Argentina is located east of the Andes mountain range in the South America continent and is a country of some 2.8 million square kilometers, almost 5 times the size of France, and has 3,100 miles of coastline. Currency of Argentina. Argentine peso is currency of Argentina. Dollar is symbol of Argentine peso. 1 Argentine peso is equal to 0.78 Indian rupee. Language of Argentina. Argentina's official language is Spanish. Argentina has enjoyed so much international migration that Arabic, Italian, German, English and French are also spoken. Specialty of Argentina. Argentina is also a nation of spectacular natural wonders. The glaciers and mountains are splendorous and waterfalls in Iguazu are the biggest and most beautiful in the world. National bird of Argentina. Rufus sonaro is a national bird of Argentina. It is a medium-sized oven bird. It occurs in eastern South America, also known as red oven bird. National sport of Argentina. Pato is a national sport of Argentina. While Argentina is famous as home of football legends, Pato looks something like a mixture between polo and basketball. Special facts of Argentina. Argentina is the largest Spanish-speaking country in the world. Argentina produced the world's first animated feature film in 1917. Yerba mate is the most popular drink in Argentina. Epic places to visit in Argentina. Iguazu Falls is the world's biggest and beautiful waterfalls. Perito Moreno Glacier is a glacier located in the Los Glaciers National Park in southwest Santa Cruz province. It is one of the most important tourist attractions in the Argentina. Tierra del Fuego National Park has dramatic scenery with waterfalls, forests, mountains and glaciers. Also, there are 20 species of terrestrial mammals. Ushuaia is a resort town in Argentina. It's located on the southmost tip of South America and surrounded by the mountains. Also, it's gateway to Antarctica cruises and tours. Famous food. Asado is a technique and a social event of having or attending a barbecue in various South America countries. Especially Argentina, asado is roasted meat of beef or various other meats. Provoleta is an Argentine variant of provolone cheese described as Argentine pulled curd provolone cheese. Alfajor is a traditional confection found in Argentina. Alfajors are sandwich cookies filled with dulce de leche, a creamy caramel confection made from milk and sugar. This was the information about country Argentina. Thank you.